So in your computer keyboard you must first turn on your number lock. So we have enabled the number lock. Now you can see an alt key on the left side of the space bar. You must press and hold this alt key. Don't remove your finger from this alt key. At the same time you must type here 1 2 8 2 7 0. So after typing you can release your finger from this alt key. So you can see that this symbol, that is a magnifying glass that is tilted towards the right, is appeared here. So we created this symbol using keyboard shortcut method. Another method is you must simply go to your keyboard and you must type 1 F5 0 E. So you must type like that, and after that you must press these two keys, that is the alt key and these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that the same symbol have been arrived here. For more you can subscribe.